Good morning, peoples. Welcome back. Alright, it's safe to say I've got a slight little hangover this morning, and I think the best cure for that is a bacon egg muffin. So, the way I make my bacon egg muffins is I like to get everything prepared first. So the first thing you should do is slice up some cheese. Second thing you should do is slice up some onion. Third thing you should do is get your muffins. Now, if you haven't used muffins before, these are just tip-top English muffins. So when you get them, they're usually already cut 3/4 of the way through. They're not quite cut all the whole way. So just get your knife in and cut the rest of the way. Okay. Alright, so once you've got your muffins, butter them. I'll just do 2 and then I'll turn you off to the rest and keep going. Alright, lots of butter. Okay, so I'm inside today, so I'm going to be doing these in the griller. But if you were out in, say, doing it on the barbie, you only want to toast the inside. You don't want to toast the outside. You want them nice and soft on the outside. So you toast the inside on the top of the barbie. And if you're at camping, for instance, and you've only got, say, the open fire and you've got the coals, you make them all up, then wrap them in alfoil, and you can throw them in your coals and then twist them over a couple of times, and they're beautiful. Alright, so once you've put your thing on, I'm terrible at slicing cheese, so it's always crap. Put your cheese on the bottom ones, because I'm doing it in the griller, remember? So if you put your cheese on straight after you toast them, if you're outside on the barbie, and the heat of the bacon should melt them enough anyway. So I'll put my cheese on them. And then I'll have them all sitting on a plate, ready to grill or grill on the barbie or whatever you want to do. Alright, so get all them ready first. Alright, I always use a little bit of butter or margarine. And then I always like to add a little splash of olive oil or any oil you've got. So if you don't know, butter, if you put a bit of butter in your oil, it actually stops your oil from burning. So there's a good little tip for you. Oh man, I need this so bad. Alright, bacon in first. Right, now your bacon's a bit smaller. Go down to the hottest end of whatever you've got and chuck in your onion. Alright, so once your onion's going translucent, it's starting to get there and your bacon's got a nice browny crisp to it, put your eggs on. Normally this will be sizzling. Alright, so once your eggs are almost as cooked, like almost how you like them, put your thing in and separate them all. You have to do it again after, but it just makes it a lot easier. And then make sure you push all your bacon back so it's not attached to it. One more time. And now, folks, the fun part. Putting them together and eating them. Oh yeah! Okay, folks, now for the fun part. Putting them together. They're freaking hot. Look at that cheese melting on there. If you're in Australia, mate, I use cream cheese. Best cheese for grilling. Oh, alright. How amazing does that look before you even put bacon leaves on it? It's crazy. Okay. Bacon. Now, of course, if you like your bacon really crispy, you just cook it longer. If you like it a lot less crispy, cook it a lot less longer. Put as much as you want on. Obviously with a hangover, the more the better. Oh mate, does not get better than this. Alright, so once you've got your bacon on, put a little of your onion on, a little or a lot, depends on what you like. I like a little bit. Most like a lot. Oh mate. Alright, your sauce. Gets there. Egg on top of that. Look at that, mate. Best thing you would have made this morning, I'm telling you. And there you go, my friends. There is your perfect hangover brekkie. Thanks heaps for watching. Have a great day.